Hi guys, how are you? Hope everyone is doing very well. Today we are going to do another video on the water cycle. I saw another really cool video on how to explain it and we're going to try to do it today. We have the materials, but we might have one slightly wrong material, but sure, we'll see how it goes. Sometimes you just have to make do with what you have. So we all know whenever it rains, there are clouds in the sky. And if the rain comes from the clouds whenever they get very heavy, there's too much water in it and they can't hold it anymore. So the rain comes back to the earth. It's like if you have a towel or a sponge and you put loads and loads of water in it and then you pick it up. Sometimes it holds the water if there's not that much in it, but the more water that goes on it, it will start coming out of the towel or out of the sponge, and that's kind of like rain. So all we need today is a glass with water in it, and this water is going to be the air. You'll see it in a minute. It's going to represent the air. And what else? We need some food colouring, which is going to be our rain, and some shaving cream. Now I got shaving gel and I don't know if it will make a difference. It said on some websites do not get the gel, but we're going to try it with the gel because they didn't have any other shaving cream in Aldi. This is all they had. So I think it's because the shaving cream is kind of light, and in the original experiment you just need to spray it on the top and then start your experiment because it comes out in the cream or the foam. So this, it comes out in the gel. Oh, so we'll do a good bit. It's probably a lot. We probably won't need that much. So this is how the gel comes out. And that is not great for what we need for our experiment. So I'm just going to mix it up to try and get the kind of cream, oh, it smells lovely, the cream consistency, or the cream texture, or the cream shape or look that we're looking for. Because maybe the gel might be too heavy. I don't know if it might not sit at the top of the water, so we'll see. Oh, it smells so nice. There you go, there's our cream. Well, it kind of looks like cream now, so hopefully it'll be fine. So our gel or our shaving whatever is going to represent the clouds, because they're kind of like a lovely bluey white colour that clouds are normally. So hopefully this just sits on the top of our water. Excellent. Okay, so update. You can get cream or gel or whatever's in the shop and it'll work. Now, I'll say that and then it won't work. So I want to just cover the sides of the glass. So there's no kind of holes. So the whole top of the glass is covered. Okay, don't want to overdo it because normally I do and then it stops working. Okay, so it looks like an iceberg. Okay, but it's clouds. Stay on track. So we have our water here, which represents our air, and then these are our lovely clouds. And okay, it said as well you need a dropper or a little pipette thing, but I don't have any of them, so I'm just going to use little spoons to drop in my food colouring. So I've seen people use blue and red food colourings, but I have this orange one, but that's a gel. That doesn't normally work. So I'll use blue and green food colouring. So the idea is that we drop drops of our food colouring, which is our water, over our clouds, and the more we drop on it, the more the clouds will be holding. So whenever the clouds get so full of food colouring, we'll be able to see it start coming through to the air. Okay. Better, now we can see everything. So I'm going to start with my blue. And we're just going to do a little drop. Oh, that was a lot. Okay. Now our cloud is filling with some blue rain. Bit more there. Bit more there. We'll try our green. Oh, can we see? Some of our rain is already coming through. Nice and slowly, which is cool. Now, so we go easy does it. And I'll move that a bit closer to you so you can see better. I'll turn it around actually because there's a cool, oh no, turn it. There we go. Now can we see? The rain is coming through. Actually, you know what? I'll put a little bit of the orange in because why not? It'll look cool. Our cloud is getting so heavy with water. The rain has started to come through and fall to the earth. And does anyone remember what happens whenever it falls to the earth or where it goes? It goes up into the clouds because whenever it gets hot, it evaporates. Oh no! Some of it's dripping down the glass. It's like an ice cream I've put. Oh, I don't have any tissues. Okay, I'll turn it round. Now, isn't that cool? You can see the rain falling to the earth. We'll just ignore those little spills. Because our clouds have gotten so heavy. I'll actually show you the cloud. It looks pretty cool. Now, let's put a teeny bit more food colouring on it, and you can see as our cloud is so full with rain, those are lovely different colour red today, it starts to seep through and falls down to the earth as rain. And then whenever it gets to the bottom, it will fall into a lake or the sea or maybe up a mountain. And then whenever the sun gets lovely and hot, it will evaporate the water, which means it turns into gas and it lifts it all the way back up to the sky, into the clouds, and we start the whole cycle again. Now, I actually like the orange in that, even if it did spill out everywhere. Look at that lovely, lovely rain. Now guys, there we have another lovely, really colourful, I really like how this turned out, even if the colours did all mix together. A lovely, really colourful display of how our water cycle works. So our water cycle is very important. It helps the water travel all around the world, all around the earth, and it helps give us a drink, give animals a drink, give plants and grass and trees a drink. Every time it rains, they get a lovely big drink. So all we have to remember is, or all that we learned here today, was whenever it gets really, really hot, the sun evaporates the water, turns into gas, it carries it all the way up to the sky, and then whenever loads of water gets together in the sky, it forms clouds. Whenever the clouds get too heavy with water, whenever there's too much water in the clouds, they can't hold it anymore, and it starts to kind of seep out like our lovely colours and then fall down back to the earth. And whenever there's loads and loads and loads of big clouds, we have a storm. Kind of looks like a storm in our little glass here. Well, that is it on the water cycle. Hope you guys have loads of fun with this activity. It's lovely and colourful, and you can use as many colours as you'd like. So I hope you enjoy, and hopefully we don't see loads and loads of clouds. We've been very lucky we've had a lot of sunny days, but even if we do see some clouds, that means that they are good for the trees and good for watering everything and giving everything a big drink. So enjoy, guys, and have loads of fun if you do this experiment at home. Bye!